There are many things that happen around us in the environment which we need to know. And how do we know these things? The moments some sounds are heard, the moments you see light, the moments the temperature rises, the moments you smell certain things. How do you know these things? By the use of organs. And these organs are called sense organs. Now, what is the use of a sense organ? A sense organ makes you to know what is in your environment. And of course, there are a number of senses. The sense of sight, the sense of taste, the sense of smell, the sense of hearing, and the sense of feeling. And each of these senses has its own organ. Now we're going to look at some of these sense organs. The eye. I got this one from a cow. Now this is an eye. And when you look at this is the eyeball. When you see the eye, it's very interesting with some muscles here. These are the muscles that cause the eye to turn. Somebody may be facing this way but is able to see the other side. Why? Because these muscles help to move the eye either up, down, side, side. You get that? So what is the main function of the eye? The eye is the organ that enables you to see. Which other organ is a sense organ? Yeah, we have just looked at the eye and we call it a sense organ. They say it is a sense organ for sight or for seeing. However, the eye is not the only sense organ. There are other sense organs. Have you seen this? This is another sense organ. And I'm sure yours even appears. Right now it can even appear. Now, which organ are we talking about? This is the ear. However, what you see here is just one part of the ear. There's a lot about the ear inside. Now, what is the main function of the ear? We commonly know that the ear enables us to hear. Is it true? Now, first close your ear. Close it tightly. Did you hear anything? I'm sure you did not hear it very well. Why? You blocked the organ for hearing. Now, that is one function of the ear, one use of the ear. It helps us in hearing. However, the ear also has another use. You see, when you are walking normally without any problem, you walk straight and we say your body is balanced. But there are certain moments when you fail to walk straight, especially those who take alcohol. Why? The body loses balance. Which organ in the body is responsible for balancing the body? It is the same ear. So, realize that the ear has two main functions. One is for hearing, the second one is for balancing. Now, how does the ear help in balancing? You know, inside the ear, there are certain parts which tell the body that you are moving in one direction, you're moving in another direction. But when you take alcohol, those parts, they get lost. So if you're moving in this direction, they will not even know. So you end up falling. So things like alcohol, there are some drugs, they're not very good. Please keep yourself healthy. Don't take a lot of alcohol because it destroys the way parts of your body work, especially the ear. I'm going to show for you one other sense organ. What are you talking about? The tongue. What is the use of the tongue? When you take in food, it's the salt is too much. And when you take chloroquine, this is bitter. And you take your tea with some sugar, say, oh, nice, this is sweet. Which organ tells you the taste of your food? It is the tongue. So the tongue is a sense organ for taste. Not taste, taste. T-A-S-T-E. Is that okay? So the taste may be sweetness, it may be being salty, it may be being bitter, it may be, all those are different tastes. And the only organ in the body, the whole body, the only organ that will tell you the taste of something is the tongue. At times when you go to the toilet, you find the place not very good. Then there are certain moments when you are near a perfume shop and say, oh, this perfume smells nice. Then there are certain moments you go near some flowers, oh, nice. Then there are certain moments when you go near, I think something has died here. Now, how do you know that something has died here? You know that by the sense of smell. And which organ is responsible for detecting smell? It is the nose. And inside the nose, there are some cells which detect the chemicals in the environment. So when there's a flower somewhere, chemicals will move from the flower into your nose and say, oh, lovely. When mom is preparing food in the kitchen, close to lunchtime, some chemicals move from the food into your nose. Oh, and you begin to salivate. Now, if it is a dead body, you also get the same signal. You also get chemicals from the dead body. Once they reach your nose, you're able to know, some rotten thing is around here. Is that okay? The sense of smell. And finally, you may know something is cold, something is hot, there is some pain, there's a bit of some touch. All these are detected by the last organ, and this organ covers the whole body, and it is the skin. So talking about this, we have now looked at the main sense organs: the eye, the ear, the tongue, the nose, and the skin. Thank you.